This video is designed to show you how to assign a LEAD 21 activity to your students based upon data that you've received from an online assessment. The first thing you will need to do is to log on to your LEAD 21 online account. After you have done this, what you will need to do is go to where it says e-assessments and click on e-assessments. You'll have to run a report in order to assign the activity based upon data that you've received. After you see this screen, click where it says reports and then go to where it says assessment reports. After that, you will want to go to where it says class assessment report, and then you'll need to choose your assessment type. It's always going to be diagnostic unless it's an assessment that you've created yourself. You would click custom, but if you have not created this assessment, just click diagnostic. Now the next step will be choosing the type of assessment that you want to run a report on. Now a lot of the weekly assessments will not have a link for you to assign an assignment to your students. However, differentiated unit assessments will almost always have this option available. So I'm going to run a differentiated unit assessment report. I'm going to select my standard. I will do LEAD 21 Language Arts, and then I will click report. And now I will scroll down and I will look to the right where it says assign. Now I'm going to choose whatever activity or whatever standard I want to assign to my students. So I will choose use word structure to decode non-forming suffixes. I want to assign that, so I'll just click assign. Now once you've clicked assign, you'll see this screen appear. It will pretty much be set up for you already. However, sometimes the instructional resource will not be right here for you. You will have to choose which one you would like to use. Since this is chosen for me already, I don't have to do anything else. I can run a preview of this game if I would like. If I'm okay with everything that's up here for me, what I'm going to just do is click show current assignments. This will help me assign this assignment to certain students. Now I can select all, which will select the whole entire class, or if I just want to do one person, that's fine. What I will do is just this one person here, and then I will click where it says assign these students. If you do not click assign these students, it will not assign the activity to that student. So I'll click assign these students, and then it'll just tell me that it has been successfully assigned to this student. I'll close the window. Now that is how you assign an assignment to a student. I'm going to show you now what it looks like on that student's home page. So the student will need to log on to their LEAD 21 account, and once they've logged on to the LEAD 21 account, what they will need to do is click on e-assessment. Now it's really easy for students to think that this assignment will come up under the e-practice link. However, it's underneath e-assessment. They will click on that. And then once their page loads, you can see that there's a game underneath the resource assignment. That is the exact one that I assigned to this student. They will click on that game and they can start playing the game. So that is how you assign an activity within LEAD 21, and that is also how a student will be able to find the activity you assign them.